Let's see the edit.
Breaking news. Governor Amuneke wins gubernatorial election with a huge margin in a free and fair election. The voters were happy and commended the electoral body for introducing beavers. They loved it so much that they wanted to vote the second time. The people have never witnessed such a free and fair election.
Lord of God.
What's up, my people on a day to the south? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my fantastic comedy reaction. So guys, please stay with me to the very end of this video, because trust me, you go really enjoy it. Trust me, I know the lie, you will enjoy it. So make sure you subscribe while watching, drop nice comments, and share this video. They're very important. You get? So go play. Let's go have some fun, guys. Samsung, iPhone. These guys like to disgrace iPhone. I don't know why. But to destroy iPhone just to promote Samsung. These guys, they lie, I swear. Now they lie, bro. These guys, they lie. You, they go now, they go. Can't get that now. Yeah! You just like what, sir? Look at my work.
You go.
Nobody come pay me, oh. And I'm gonna move lonely away here.
So, accept my condolence.
Accept my condolence.
I don't know, like the net's okay. What did you say?
I said I'm pregnant. You're going to be a father.
You.
This belly when you get for me now, it get good. Now the right time for you. My vision is not important, Abi.
Play with it.
No, my brother, we go down now. Like that's in I will run for this hospital. Guy, you talk too much. Tell me to Ibo make I leave this place, Abi. Yeah. Okay, yeah, in a hurry. Your money is 50,000. Naira or dollar? Dollar. Whenever this level, it's naira that we. This is that you go make me white. Very, very like pure white. Pure. Pure. I beg, go your wallet. Now crypto I won't send you. Crypto, yes. Oh, you put this in our wallet. Malo wallet. You use Malo wallet. Who doesn't know Malo wallet? Everybody uses Malo wallet. Everybody uses it. Get Chamaka. Sir. Please come and give me my wallet. My brother.
Advance.
Like him, Abi.
Hey! Hey!
I said that you make me Oyibo like Michael Jackson. How much did you pay? How much did Michael Jackson pay? Oh, you tell me say 50,000. Say you go turn me to Oyibo. I'll come like Oyibo. Wait, like this way you came. Doctor, you changed my voice. I twist it a bit. But if you don't like this voice, there's another. Chamaka, play your throat. That's it.
In plastic surgery.
Hello?
Hello, babe.
See, don't call this number again. I'm no longer Gentuu. My name is now Agbaye.
Babe, can you just stop? It's a prank. I'm not pregnant.
Oh.
You said prank? Hold up, me water. All my millions.
Like you call this prank.
Fine monkey. You cannot vote, oh.
I don't understand. What do you mean I cannot vote?
Beavers has rejected you. Look at it.
I don't understand. What?
Yeah, water.
That cannot be me. That's definitely not me.
This is you now. My Beavers. It just showed who you are. It's showing you who you are.
I thought you guys said this is going to be a free and fair election.
Did you pay to stand here?
Wow.
Go to the back. Yeah.
Hey, dog.
You can't vote. Who is this? This is you now. This is who you are. Me, dog. How? This is you now. You say who? How? Oh, okay. You are revealing. You're backing already. Continue, Rottweiler. Back more now. Back. Me. Go to the back. You are revealing yourself. Let's go.
Who is this?
This is you.
This is not me. This can't be me.
And what happened is that this is your spirit animal.
No, this is unacceptable. This is not free and fair. Stop it.
You don't want to accept who you are.
Hello, sir. What is going on? Do you realize we have been here since morning, 6 a.m. and you came not quite long, 6:40 p.m. and you are saying the Beavers is not working?
Me? I woke up around 6 a.m. I wanted to be here to make sure because I have your interest at heart. I said, what am I going to do with these people now? I took my bath. Immediately I want to step out. It started raining. The rain started falling, oh! It started falling again, oh! Rain started falling, oh!
The verse must not work, no? So you go around 3-4 when everything is almost over. 3. Me, there, at the Chris. 6:30, that's when I will be there. 6:30 p.m. 7, I close. Take extra.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, next person, next. The verse must not work. These places are important places. My opposition stronghold. Beavers must not work.
Again, it started falling again.
Okay, listen to me. It's fine. Now you are here. What is the way forward? How are we going to continue the vote?
You don't want to continue now? I'm here. If you want to vote, you come and vote. Come and vote now.
Can you imagine?
Papa.
When you see, nice one.
What is going on here? I know what is going on. I know that guy. He's from ATC, Governor Amuneke's party. Does that mean the Beavers works for only people voting for ATC? Tell us.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have come to the end of this wonderful free and fair election.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. We have not. This is our right. This is our right.
How did he go? They did not even get not even one vote. Thank God. You know, this is a stronghold for my opposition party. Yes, I know. That was my biggest fear. Not even one vote. Thank God. Editor, let's see the edit.
Breaking news. Governor Amuneke wins gubernatorial election with a huge margin in a free and fair election. The voters were happy and commended the electoral body for introducing beavers. They loved it so much that they wanted to vote the second time. The people have never witnessed such a free and fair election.
They wanted to vote the second time. Can you imagine?
Once the enemy is coming from the left, you take it, then you go back. That's what we call the overhead shot. Let's go. Big shot.
My husband, I beg, no verse. This thing what they do now for waiting.
You know the year waiting to happen for the country. They say we should be our own security. Be your own combat. Because anything can happen. The way this country they go now.
Because defense staff to make Nigerians go learn how to fight.
So I can't be fighting for myself.
Can you imagine?
I'll be fighting for you.
Me, okay.
So that's why I'm teaching you all these tactics.
Okay,
you
self-defense.
God bless you. So now let's go for the first shot now. Now, the style I want to give to you now is what we call the stabbing self-defense. Now this is a knife. You take it down. Correct. This is what we call the stabbing stroke punch strategy. Okay. Now, once the enemy is facing you, look into his eyes. Fold your upper.
Which one be your boy again?
Punch.
Okay.
Here. Come on. You got it. Here. You fought me.
You have killed the enemy.
Enemy's gone.
We have prevailed.
Now, let's go.
Yeah. One.
Let's practicalize this one now. This is knife.
Yes.
Now,
they will kill you.
I'm the enemy. I'm coming to attack you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah! I found it! Good. Right now, you've defeated the enemy. Now, you do as if you want to give him a stab. Good. Easy. I'm not the enemy. In case the war happens, it's the enemy you will stab. Okay. You need to be careful. So now, let's go to the next one.
Okay, I don't hear you. But who be Janet?
Stop. My wife, what is wrong now? What is it?
I said who be Janet when they send to every day when we say me and my children did this house hunger they kill us.
Oh, you don't see the message?
Who be Janet one?
The knife is coming down. You need to take it easy.
I beg make una check how much be coughing for me.
What?
This evening you will die.
No.
Good afternoon, sir.
Daddy.
Yeah? You say you want to see me. What is it?
Daddy, I have a confession to make.
That one is good now. Tomorrow is Saturday, eh? Go and tell your father your sins. Daddy? Why are you disturbing me?
Daddy, it's you I want to tell.
What is it? Talk now!
Daddy, I'm pregnant.
Hey! Wait, who got you pregnant?
Daddy, that's the main issue right now. I've had something to do with one of them, but as it stands now, the both of them are claiming to be responsible for the pregnancy, and I don't know why.
Bia, which of you got my daughter pregnant?
I'm the one.
I know now. I know that you people are twins. But which of you in particular did the cock with her and got her pregnant?
Sir, without even saying a word, you can tell by the pregnancy. I'm responsible for it.
Oh, I think I understand what's going on, eh? In your mind now, I don't mean jackpot, Abi. You have seen a big house and big man. Want to come and get my daughter pregnant and collect all my properties, Abi? But let me shock you, eh? I no get shishi. Yes, now. Thank God, sir, eh? You come and stay with 2 people. And me, every month you'll be giving me a father-in-law allowance. So which of you I will give my account number?
Actually, it's slip of tongue. No, my brother give him belly. I just escort and come.
Yeah. Don't play with me, oh. I was busy inside the house. Who got her pregnant also?
You know you are the one. Every day you go to carry and come house. Now she is pregnant. Oh, you tell her father, say now you get her.
Come here. Who got her pregnant?
Sir, I will tell you the truth. And everything I will say here is nothing but the truth.
You talk.
I swear to God. Nah,
Bia?
Sir?
080-2696-7596.
Daddy, whose number is this?
Na very dark my number be that. Now only one fit solve this case.
Alright, so it is time to give you people the gist about what happened in the police station.
I just sent you 50 million naira.
Wait, they see they dash people money like this for this country. Yes, see this one. Especially for this lucky. People get money die. You see all the dispatcher does? They get luck. They cash out. People they give them money. Now you know get updates now. They cash out steady. People they dash them money left and right. Left and right. See, they get luck die.
You all not go work. I don't get sure of that.
All the time, money. You don't know about money. So tell me, what do you actually bring to the table?
Coming from someone that will share basically 50% of what we're doing in this house.
Now tell me, have you ever sent money to anybody in your entire life before? Have you? Have you?
Hey!
Me?
Yes, you. Please come. Are you free?
Yes, I'm free.
Are you sure?
I just sure.
Please come.
One man begin.
It is waiting for you. You're sure you have an account that can take a huge amount?
I guess my account empty.
I don't know.
Madam.
Jesus!
I don't know say you won't ever walk.
Come on.
That's how you die.
That's how I die, you.
Solo.
This guy passed on. He never passed on.
Stand up, Jerry.
Babe. Ocean.
Are you secretly talking to my friend?
Jesus.
Your friend. Which friend?
Are you seeing my friend in my absence?
Oh, they struggle. Wait, I don't understand. Which friend? Now I'm just
Which friend?
You check my what is
Which friend? That means you've been seeing one of my friends.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Oh, you just asked me which of my friends.
I'm not seeing any of your friends.
So what are you doing with Jennifer in my dream? On this couch.
You go cry, no worry. You go regret your life. You no go walk.
Your dream.
Now you will get it.
I think it's your dream.
So it's my dream. Don't you know that dreams come true?
God of destiny of helper, God of king of the king, must I go there? I'm calling you for this today.
Not the person that goes.
I was robbed on my way home from work.
Chris, give me that phone.
Jesus.
Put that back. Let's go and punish you.
Then I decided to take a revenge all by myself. You see, I did a lot of planning for this moment. Before the revenge, I meditated for 2 weeks on how to get this robber down. Then I took my time to investigate who this robber was since he was wearing marks. I was very good at mathematics when I was in secondary school. So I used my mathematical sense to scan his footprints. I began searching for a match of the footprints. After 1 month of searching, I finally found a match. He was in the marks, so I waited for him to come outside. Immediately I saw him, I secretly took a picture of him. I was once a man when I was in secondary school, so I started training like a soldier. I trained to be strong and to be undefeated. Now it was time to find this location, so I met with Tina. Tina is a professional tech lady I met on Facebook. I sent her my stolen phone IP address and she got in trapped. Then the day of revenge came.
This one lucky number one, sir.
Jesus.
Lala, how much should they give me now?
The change not be 100 naira.
Which 100 naira? Give me my change complete. Which one be 100 naira?
Okay, give am change complete now. You dey come down and be make a move they go.
Okay, go carry me go where? Where you carry me from? Where go there? Give me 100 naira. Okay, you no go move this car. You say you no go carry me down. I say you no go come for here.
Give me money now.
Every year you go do now.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
All of them will come down and come out now.
You go faint, though. You go faint. Body go tell you.
Where's the driver of this car?
Driver!
Driver around this house.
Where driver can go now? Where driver?
Jesus wept so we can smile. It's not Kemi.
How guys be?
Kemi, what's up now? What are you doing here now? We have class right now. Okay.
I'm not really happy. I'm not good right now.
You're not really happy? What's wrong with you now? Why only
My grandma died.
Your grandma died?
Yeah.
Oh, your grandma died now. Grandma are the purest of souls, for real. I wish I can replace your grandma for you, for real. I wish I was the one that died instead of her. For real, grandma.
Sorry. You should rest in peace, boy. It's just so heartbreaking.
Sorry, Kemi, sorry.
Yes, motherfucker. Don't
you know what? Let me just take you out so that you can. Have you eaten at all?
I don't really have appetite.
I know, I understand. Even just a drink, you know. Let me just check
God,
you
I
up.
beg you.
Let's start the class.
God, I beg you.
So I know that you're very weak and emotional right now, Bele. Your grandma died. I swear, I wish I can die instead of your grandma, for real. I wish it's me that died. I wish it's me. I wish it was me, for real.
Okay, don't worry. We should rest in peace.
May she rest in peace.
Right.
I swear, the death of your grandma is even paining me more than you, for real. Even me now, I've lost my appetite. But don't worry, I've ordered 7 platters of turkey for you. 7 platters of turkey, so that you can be able to talk very well. I can say you cannot talk very well. 7 platters of turkey.
Thank you.
I swear, this date is paining me so much. Grandma, where would you go now? Grandma,
Calm down.
You should calm down, Abby.
Another thing, my guy.
Just don't worry. Don't think about it.
Let's just eat. Let's eat. Don't worry. I'll take you home also. Like, you just relax on my giant bed. Don't worry. Sorry for
I
you.
wait a minute.
Sorry, I know that you need it.
Thank you for being there for me.
You're welcome. I sensed it in my spirit that something was wrong with you. That's why I passed them. Like, my spirit was telling me that something was really wrong with you. Sorry. Please, can you bring the 7 platters of turkey? Okay, this is the rice. And the turkey, are you bringing the turkey also? 7 platters, so that she can talk very well.
Thank you.
I got you, baby girl. Stay cheesed up all day.
It really looks good though.
Yes, no, just like you. Jima Sunjo.
Hey.
Why is this sleeping? I'm really a book here right now. I'm going home.
But what do you mean?
What do I mean? Me down and move.
I don't want to rest.
Oh, so I your grandma first die. I remember that your grandma would die. You're acting like a child. Your grandma don't die. You want to go and join her? Oh, how do you go your house? You they go now.
Nice to me. Why are you shouting?
I'll be nice to you. Am I your dad? What do I mean? I'm not mean. I'm being median. Please, all right, right now, go home.
Oh, So you actually wanted to take advantage of me, right?
Azar, when
you're a very wicked person.
When I did ush ash, you don't know. When I did ush ash, I ate turkey. I ate turkey, 70 turkey only you. Your grandma die, I ate turkey. Your grandma die, I ate turkey. Eh?
Where is my bag?
Carry your
So
bag,
you
you
wanted
go.
to take advantage of me. Don't worry.
You won't take food.
I'm leaving. Get my bag and
Well, you were sweet.
let me book my ride.
Oh God!
Men are evil people, very wicked person.
When I evil people, I didn't push ash. You don't know. I eating turkey. I took advantage of you. How long? You don't go far now.
You don't knock now. The body don't stay one place. This guy doesn't get sense.
Divine.
Yes, mommy.
You don't put the rat poison.
You dey use your function to play.
Yes, mommy.
Oh yeah. Go put and there, make them die.
Jesus! Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
So you will go carry person pepper soup. You don't get sense. You don't get sense. Like person you want trouble. You go put her inside, carry the meat. You mumu now. Anyways, my people, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. Tell me now, what's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And people will never subscribe. Yeah, I don't know what they wait for. You just watch and go. You don't subscribe. Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You know, my channel is currently on shadow ban because of strike why I get. So what you guys need to do for me is just watch, subscribe, and share. I beg, no, I don't. I beg, please. So check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. You love them. Trust me on that. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.